Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Rahman Sohag with you. Now I am showing you how to connect corridor hallway wiring circuit diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Switch 1, 2 and switch 3, again switch 4, switch 5 and switch 6. All are two-way switches. Bulb 1, bulb 2, bulb 3. Phase connection to switch 1, 2 and 3 common connection. Phase connection outgoing from switch 1 to switch 6 L1 terminal. Phase connection outgoing from switch 1 to switch 6 L2 terminal. Phase connection outgoing from switch 2 to switch 5 L1 terminal. Phase connection outgoing from switch 2 to switch 5 L2 terminal. Phase connection outgoing from switch 3 to switch 4 L1 terminal. Phase connection outgoing from switch 3 to switch 4 L2 terminal. Phase connection from switch 4 to bulb 3. Phase connection from switch 5 to bulb 2. Phase connection from switch 6 to bulb 1. Neutral connection to all load bulb 1, bulb 2 and bulb 3. Now it's ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friends. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.